Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Starlight headliner for my 2019 Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Today we're going to be taking the headliner out of my 2019 Chevy Silverado, so let's get right into it. Take these two bolts out, they're 10 millimeter out of both sides, and we'll go from there. Be careful not to break the tab like I did. It's very gentle. Next is our center cab light for the front. It has all our window switches, back window, garage switches. It's just going to be the plastics right along here on either side pop out, and then you got screws on the inside. You got two T10 screws, one silver one there, and then one in that hole all the way up. Once you get that pulled off, just pull down, there's two tabs and it pops. Pull the two plugs out and you're good to go. Use a T15 to get both visor clips out, and the same over here for the sway portion of your visor. On the rear handles, you got two 10 millimeters right here, and then you got a 7 millimeter behind the airbag logo. Go ahead and pop this out for safe measures. Now take the two hangers in the back out with an 8 millimeter socket. After you have everything reinstalled, you should be good to go. Clip them all flush with the headliner, pop everything back in, bolt everything up, and then turn it on and see what she looks like. After you get it down and out of the truck, mark exactly how many you have, spread them out, poke through. You can use a needle, a drill bit, whatever you think is small enough to go through. Hot glue or super glue behind them on the top side, not seen, and then put everything back together, and then we'll clip. After you have everything reinstalled, you should be good to go. Clip them all flush with the headliner, pop everything back in, bolt everything up, and then turn it on and see what she looks like.